What happens in Israel if you have not made a continuing power of attorney, but you're not mentally competent? Well, since I do a lot of continuing powers of attorney for people, this is a question that I get asked a lot. Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm a family law attorney with offices located throughout Israel. So in Israel, if a person becomes mentally incompetent and hasn't appointed an enduring power of attorney, what we call a continuing power of attorney, then the legal process for managing their affairs is going to depend on the situation. A number of things can happen. First of all, there might be guardianship by a family member. If a person becomes mentally incapacitated and hasn't designated an attorney, a family member can ask to become their legal guardian. Okay? It can be a spouse, an adult child, a sibling, parent. They make a petition to the court to be appointed as a guardian, and the court assesses their capacity and makes a determination. If there are any disagreements, then they usually won't appoint someone, and then it'll go to guardianship by a public guardian. Okay, and that's also if there aren't any willing or suitable family members to act as guardians, the court can appoint a public guardian or a trustee from the public trustee's office to manage the incapacitated person's affairs. And usually they'll get a third party outside corporation who gets paid from the estate of the person who is no longer mentally capable. Okay? But it's essential to understand that the legal procedures and termination can vary, and the process for dealing with the incapacity issues can get very complex. They might even have two different people appointed, one for the body and one for finances. But if you find yourself in such a situation or concerned about planning for the future, I strongly recommend that you consult with a qualified attorney who's experienced in matters of guardianship and mental capacity laws in Israel. And even better, make a continuing power of attorney to head off these issues beforehand. My name is Jay Hait. I'm family law attorney with offices located throughout Israel, and my number appears on the screen in front of you. Please feel free to pick up the phone and call me with any questions.